Hey kids, today we're going to learn how to make a circle map that will define or explain who we are. This is a really good thing to know how to do because once you start using this in your reading, it will help you understand books and it will help your writing become really, really epic. So let me show you how to do a circle map. You're going to start by writing your name right in the middle, not very big. And then, after you've written your name, you're going to make a circle around it. Now, let me show you what happens if you do this backwards. If you try to make the circle first and then write your name in it, you're probably going to find that you did not leave enough room for the writing. So, make sure that you are doing the writing first and then drawing a circle around it, like that. Then you're just going to make a bigger circle that takes up almost all of your paper, that goes around the smaller circle, so that you have one little circle with your name in it, and then a big circle that goes around it. Now in this circle, I'm just going to define myself or write down things about me, like I live in Denver. But although I live in Denver, I'm from Kansas. I love pizza. I'm married to my wife, who's named Jackie. And I know how to juggle. Now, these are just a few of the things that define me, but I don't have to write down everything. What you're going to do is make a circle map for yourself. Of course, yours isn't going to say Mr. Harrell in the middle. You're going to have your own name, not Y-O-U, but your name spelled out. Then you're going to have a bunch of stuff around it that defines you. You're not going to write the word stuff over and over again, but you're going to write things that define you, like I wrote about myself. And here's another really cool thing about thinking maps. When you write one, even if you don't know how to spell a word, you can still write your thoughts down using pictures. So if you were like me and you love pizza, I could have just drawn a slice of pizza. When I said I was from Kansas, I could have just drawn the shape of the state of Kansas. Instead of writing my wife's name down, I could have just drawn a picture of her. That's a really, really good picture of my wife. That looks just like her. So no matter how good of a speller you are, or even if your handwriting is not so great yet, you can still draw pictures and get your thinking down on paper. So what you're going to do is define things about you on a thinking map about you. I want you to have about 8 things that you can come up with that defines you. Maybe things about your family, maybe things about where you live, or activities that you like to do. Have that with you tomorrow. And then we are going to talk about how we can use thinking maps to respond to the reading that we do in class. We'll see you then.